Okay. Hello. My name is Joy. Welcome to your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Lucy.
How old are you?
My Vietnam.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Thanh Hóa City, Vietnam.
What animals do you like? I
I like cats.
What colors do you like?
I like best.
Good. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is hot dog.
Good. Okay. Now let's go to Unit 1, Art class. What's this?
Balloon. Paper.
Scissors or paper?
Paper.
This one?
Paper.
Good. Now let's answer the question, what do you have? So we will use I have. Okay, number 1. What do you have? I have.
Balloon.
What do you have?
I have
Paint or glue?
glue.
Paint or glue?
Pen.
What do you have? Scissors or paper?
Paper.
Scissors or paper?
Scissors.
What do you have?
I have paper.
Good. All right. What's this? A marker or a pencil?
Pencil.
A marker or a pencil?
No.
What's this? Is it a pencil or a pen?
Pencil.
What's this? Is it a crayon or a pen?
Pen.
Is it a crayon or a pen?
Crayon.
What's this?
Pen.
Is it a pen or a pencil?
Pen.
Okay. Now let's answer the question, what does she have?
She has a crayon.
What does he have?
She has
Have or has?
a marker.
What does she have?
She has a pen.
What does he have?
She has a pencil.
Good. Okay, let's go to Unit 2. Let's play. What's this?
Ball.
This one.
Balloons. Yo-yo. Dog.
What color is the yo-yo?
Yo-yo.
What color is it?
Is a yo-yo.
Is it green or red?
Green.
What color is the balloon?
Red.
All right. Number 1. What is it?
Is a balloons.
What is it?
Is a ball.
What is it?
Is a dog.
What is it?
Is a yo-yo.
Very good. What's this?
Car. Ball. Chair. Dress.
Give me a high five. All right. What color is the car? Is it blue or red?
Blue.
What color is the train? Is it red or blue?
Green.
What color is the train? Is it red or blue?
Blue.
All right. Okay, let's go now to how many of these things do you have? How many apples do you have?
See
I have.
one apple.
How many bananas do you have?
See
I have.
2 bananas.
How many babies do you have?
I have 3 babies.
How many cats do you have?
I have 4 cats.
How many computers do you have?
I have 5 computers.
Fantastic. Let's have a dialogue together. Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Lucy.
Hi, Lucy.
What's your name?
My name is Joy. How old are you?
I'm 6 years old. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, girl.
Bye, Lucy.
Goodbye, girl.
Okay, give me high 10. At least you have done your best. And let's say goodbye. Bye.
Bye.